Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming hardware and accounts. If your phone has dual SIM, keep both active. Otherwise, plan to use WhatsApp Business alongside your main app. Once done, back up your primary WhatsApp to Google Drive or iCloud so you can restore chats. Make sure both apps are updated and you have stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, prepare the second phone number, either a second SIM, virtual number, or landline, because you'll need to receive an SMS or call for verification. Now verify the second number. Install WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business and follow the verification flow. You'll receive an SMS or call to the second number. If you use a virtual number, accept app permissions and request a call if SMS fails. Once verified, decide whether to restore a backup. Restore only if you're migrating chat history from a previous backup tied to that number. Make sure notifications and permissions are enabled. Adjust profile and privacy settings so both accounts behave the way you expect. Finish by setting how you'll switch. Use your phone's app clone feature, run WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business, or maintain two devices. Configure distinct notification tones and privacy settings so you can tell accounts apart. Once done, schedule separate backups for each account. If something goes wrong, verification stuck, no messages, or restore fails, recheck the SIM card and network, force stop and reinstall the app, and retry verification by requesting a call. If needed, toggle airplane mode briefly and repeat the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.